In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize your Facebook newsfeed. If you're looking to make your Facebook experience more personalized and tailored to your interests, you're in the right place. Customizing your newsfeed means you'll see more of what you love and less of what you don't. So, let's dive right in and get you set up for a more enjoyable scroll. To begin, head over to your Facebook homepage. This is the main screen you see when you first log in, with all the latest updates and posts from your friends and the pages you follow. Now, look towards the top right corner of your screen. You'll see your profile icon there. Go ahead and click on it. This is your gateway to unlocking the settings that will allow you to tailor your Facebook experience. Once you've clicked your profile icon, a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, find and click on Settings and Privacy. This section houses all the controls you'll need to tweak your account to your liking. It might seem like a small step, but this is where the magic happens. Within the Settings and Privacy menu, the next step is to click on Content Preferences. This is a crucial part of customizing your news feed because it allows you to set preferences for the content you want to see more or less of. By selecting content preferences, you're essentially telling Facebook what you find interesting and what you could do without. Now that you've found the content preferences, you can set up your newsfeed just the way you want it. You'll be able to prioritize who to see first. This means you can choose specific friends or pages whose posts you wish to view at the top of your feed whenever they post something new. Imagine always seeing updates from your best friend or your favorite news outlet first thing. Additionally, you can unfollow people to hide their posts without unfriending them, which is handy if you still want to keep in touch, but not necessarily see every single thing they share. Remember, these settings aren't set in stone. You can come back and change them whenever you feel like your interests or priorities have shifted. Customizing your news feed is all about making Facebook work for you, not the other way around. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've taken control of your Facebook experience. Enjoy seeing more of what matters to you and less of what doesn't. Thanks for watching, and happy scrolling.